And the third type of error is nothing but the logic error. The interpreter can detect syntax errors during the translation phase and uncover runtime exceptions during the execution phase. Both kinds of problems represent violations of the Python language. Such errors are the easiest to repair because the interpreter indicates the exact location within the source code where it detected the program. Suppose if we write the same line of code or block of codes inside the script file, then Python interpreter will detect where exactly the error is at a particular line. Okay, we will see how to write the script files in the next section. So we will be using the Python script file or editor to write the script files in the next section. Okay, but now let us see the logic error here. If the program consists of an error but the interpreter is unable to detect the problem, an error of this type is known as the logic error. For example, the relation between the degrees Celsius and the degrees Fahrenheit can be expressed as C is equal to 5/9 multiplied by degree in Fahrenheit minus 32. So this is the expression. Given a temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, the corresponding temperature in degrees Celsius can be computed. Okay. For example, here if we use degree Fahrenheit comma degree in Celsius, equal to 0 comma 0. Let us define the relationship between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Degree in Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied by degree in Fahrenheit, df minus 32. So degree in Fahrenheit and degree in Celsius, these are the initial values. Let us try to prompt the user for degree in Fahrenheit using the input method. Suppose here if we enter for example 90 and if we print degree in Celsius, notice that we got an error minus 17.77. So unfortunately, when we run the program, it displays minus 17.77. So let us enter one more time what happens. to the program, say for example 100, and let us print degree in Celsius. See, regardless of the input provided, the interpreter is giving the or displaying the result as minus 17.77. The English description provided above is correct. We are implementing the formula faithfully. Then what is the wrong? Here the problem lies simply in statement ordering. Means the statement degrees in Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied by degree in Fahrenheit minus 32. So it is an assignment statement, not a definition of a relationship that exists throughout the program. So this is because at the point of the assignment, degree Fahrenheit has the value of 0. So here the program assigns variable degree in Celsius before it receives degree in Fahrenheit value from the user. So are you getting what I am going to tell? Here we are not evaluating this degree in Celsius after entering the value degree in Fahrenheit. Suppose let us run this code once again and get the value for the variable degree in Fahrenheit. So this time I will get 90. Okay, and if I evaluate this expression after entering the value 90 to the variable degree in Fahrenheit. So now let us print the result degree in Celsius. See, this time we got the correct value. So this type of error made by the user is known as logic error. So here the logic is missing, because once we get the value from the user for the variable degree in Fahrenheit, we need to evaluate the degree in Celsius once again. But what we did in all these cases, we are just printing the degree in Celsius without evaluating the degree in Celsius once again. So what is happening here is the degree in Celsius is looking at the value degree in Fahrenheit and we are entering, that's okay, but we are not evaluated it. So degree in Celsius is looking for the evaluation of the degree in Celsius, but we have not yet evaluated during this first phase and during the second phase, but we have evaluated during the third phase, means while entering the value during the third time. So that's why we need to evaluate this degree in Celsius after entering or after getting the value for degree in Fahrenheit. So this is the mistake what we have made in this program. So I think you got what is meant by the logical error or logic error. Logic error is simply means there is no error in the code or there is no error in the expression, but the error is in using it correctly. Okay, so here earlier we were printing the degree in Celsius before we are evaluating the expression degree in Celsius after getting the value for degree in Fahrenheit. But in the third time, after getting the value for degree in Fahrenheit, we have evaluated degree in Celsius using this formula. So the result is as usual, as per our expectation. So this is nothing but how to identify the logic error and how to clear it.